Hello everyone, so in this get ready with me video, I'll be showing you guys my wash and go routine and also my no makeup look, so just keep watching. So first, of course, I have to wash my hair, and in this video I'm using Icy, Fantasia, Avocado, and Cilantro shampoo and conditioner. This was actually my first time using it, and I shampooed my hair twice with this shampoo, and I have to say that I didn't like how it left my hair feeling kind of dry, but maybe it's because I used it twice. Yeah, you saw what just happened to me here, right? But the conditioner was very moisturizing, so that's something that I like. I like to finger detangle my hair as I'm applying the conditioner. I find it easier and it's more gentle on my hair, and it doesn't take long because the conditioner helps detangle it fast. And then I leave the conditioner on while I'm washing my face and body. And to wash my face, I am using Duval Sonic facial brush. They actually sent me this brush to use, and I've been using it for like about 2 weeks now, and I really like it. I feel like it works really great. The material is silicone, and it has 2 buttons to increase and decrease the vibration. I leave it as it is when I turn on the brush because I feel like whenever I increase it, it just vibrates a little bit too much for me. Okay, and now I am ready to start getting ready, and here I'm just showing you guys my new shirt from Friends. If you know me, I like the show Friends. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start with my hair. I like to start with my hair before my makeup so it can dry faster. And I'm gonna be using the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. And if you watched my review on this product, you know that I really liked this leave-in conditioner. And then to style my hair, I'll be using African Pride Moisture Miracle Curling Cream. This is another product that I did a review on, and if you watched it, you know that I like that product. As you can tell, I used all of it already. If you haven't watched any of my product reviews videos, make sure you guys go check that out. So all I'm doing is applying the product to my entire hair, and then I like to part my hair where I want it to be, and then I'm just gonna finger coil some of my hair, not all of it, because finger coiling is very time consuming, and when I'm doing wash and go, I really don't like to spend a lot of time on my hair, so I just like to apply the product and then finger coil some of my hair. And lastly, I'm going to be applying this 5 essential oils by African Pride Moisture Miracle, and I'm just going to apply a little bit to my entire hair. And now I am ready for my face. And I like to start by moisturizing my skin by using this Neutrogen oil-free moisturizer. And look, this is what I have to deal with behind the scenes. So then I'm going to be using this primer serum by Neutrogen as well. It's a Shine Control Matte Serum. Then I'm applying my Wet n Wild concealer in the shade medium, and I'm applying it underneath my eyes and around my nose and anywhere I have any redness. I like to skip foundation for my no makeup look because I want to look as natural as possible. Then I like to blend the concealer using my BH Cosmetics Taper Contouring Face Brush, and I don't like using my sponge to blend this out because I feel like it doesn't look as natural as this brush makes it look. And then I'm going to set the concealer using my CoverGirl Clean Professional Loose Powder in the shade medium. And I like using this powder because it doesn't make me look white. Then for eyebrows, I'm going to be using this Winky Luxe Universal Pencil, and I'm only going to be filling in the back area, like a little tail. And then I'm going to fill in the front part with this eyebrow kit by e.l.f. Then for blush, I'm going to be using Studio Makeup Luminous Loose Blush. I'm assuming that is the name of the blush because that is the only thing that it says. I like to apply the blush on the apples of my cheeks and also brush it up like by my eyes because I feel like it makes it look more of a natural look. And then for highlight, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit That Glow. And this highlighter gives you a very natural highlight, which is something that I really want to go for my no makeup look. Then for mascara, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. I also did a first impression on this product. Make sure you go check it out. And I really like the mascara because it gives you full volume and length without making your lashes look too clumpy. Then I'm going to be using this lip liner by Jonteblu. I cannot pronounce that. But I'm just going to outline my lip a little bit because I want my makeup to look natural. So I'm not going to use a lipstick. I'm just going to use the lip liner, and then I'm going to be using this lip moisturizer, lip balm by Blixtex. And that is it for the makeup. Look how natural that looks. Look how natural that looks. Then to finish up the hair, I'm going to be fixing my baby hairs, aka my edges, using this Edge Fixer Glue by Kiss Colors and Saweetie. And that is it. Now I just have to sit and wait for my hair to completely dry, and that is it. Now, this is the finishing results. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.